A31 or Oppo A30 or Oppo A8. I don't know, let's just try it. Oh, it's near, it's near, it's near, it's near. It's near, it's near, it's near. Here we go. Say hello to RIP device. Just, man, look at this. Feels like if you have RTX 5060, don't notice the lag, please. That is normally normal. Cause like, holy. Is this still Minecraft? Guys, I will make it in today. There's too many ores! And why does it feel like heaven? We're gonna make it in today. Ay, sunrise. Let's see. Sunrise is what the so called orange shower. Let's look into here on the best seaside that I've ever seen. Wow. This ain't Minecraft!
No, there's no way. Let me screenshot. That ain't be real. What?
This life is a dream. Oh.
I need to wake up right now. I need to wake up really fast. Really quick. I need to wake up.
Today just buying.
Dalawa ako.
Oh, there's none.
I need to wake up now.
Since when Minecraft became this beautiful with shaders?
May dugo ako.
Shoso.
Choso.
By the way, guys, even though I'm using the worst low-end phone, guess what? It's still running it a bit smoothly. About like 12 FPS. Like,
Oh man. Wait, get out from the snow biome.
what?
Just try it on the seaside biome.
Guys, it's our first emerald.
This should be a survival mode. But based on our luck, nah.
Is it just me or the shader just looks too good? But the sun is just the worst. The visuals are good. The sun's ruins it. Wait. Holy! I could make the best base with this. The hell?
Ako na kasi yun, si
Huh? Larper.
Tingnan mo, may nipin. Is malagay ka ng mata.
Malala na nga, lalagyan mo pa bata.
Go to the grassland or what?
Where is the grassland? Ah, there we go.
Okay.
This is just naturally beautiful.
Lava.
Lava detected.
Tingnan mo ako.
Let's see. Wait.
Oh, see you.
Did I just saw the leaf moves? Oh my god. This is the best shader ever. This thing might be even better than vibrant visuals.
You know what? Guys! Yeah! I think the game froze. The file don't move anymore.
Ano yun? FPS booster. It's because of the FPS booster, guys. Why does it look scary? You get inside the lava.
Nah. Stay away. How about in the water?
But I'm scared of... Oh! This ain't Minecraft
Go
anymore.
to the corals. The corals is the best.
I don't want to. I just want to stay in here. In heaven.
Go to corals.
Guys, I'm gonna make a reference.
na ako.
Guys, I'm gonna make a reference. I think it was the sunset one. Did it? Throughout heaven and earth, I alone is the honored one. Why does this thing looks like smiling on me?
Go closer.
No, the golden arm, just like this feels like heaven. Guys, I think I forgot to open my cloud setting. Let's see how much lag will I get. And will my phone overheat or not? By now, it's still not overheating.
Oh, minute na.
Huh?
Minute na.
What?
It's gonna keep up.
I don't care, I'm gonna put it in 10.
Oh my po. Oh my god. 6, 7. 6, 7. Where's the 6, 7? 6, 7. 6, 7. Tingnan galing ko liwat. No. Hello, I'm ready. Continue now. Continue.
Now let's see how good will it be. But how much? I only wonder how much lag it could be.
Mama, tingnan sa Debbie.
Si Joby Dean.
Oh my. Oh my piece.
I'm ready now. Guys, my FPS is just literally a bit more better now.
The lava. It makes. Nah.
This might be the best.
I'm passing out. Good night.
Throughout all of the shaders, you alone is the honored one to hold my phone. But rest in peace, man.
POB you spawn a nuke.
Is this still Minecraft?
Bro, look at the smiling face. It's kind of scary. I see a eye. I see a freaking eye. Go near the smiley face, man. I know you can.
Guys,
Diamonds!
idiot, that's copper. Okay. Guys, does this texture pack gives you any nostalgia?
So what if I did this?
Guys, my little bro is playing. He's the one who's in case of my... He is the one who's using... Who have the name on my channel. Holy! Anong ginawa mo sa grass block? Ilagay mo na.
Wait, tignan yung mga water. Yung mga water.
Pasalamat ko, di mo ko binuksan yung better grass.
May tignan yung ang water. Tignan mo yung water.
What is the better? This one? Or this? Mali. Or guys,
This.
why do I feel like my phone a bit hot? Or this?
Wait, I need to change position.
Guys, I really just hope I have the red magic. Please, red magic. Please.
Wait, is that shooting stars?
Lord, can I get the red magic 11S Pro? That's my only
Julian,
thing
shut
I
up!
want. Please. I want a high-end device.
Next.
The midnight. I don't want.
Midnight one.
Why does it feel like heaven? Wait a minute. Why does it feel like a bit not that laggy now? Is my phone adapting?
Bros Mahuraga.
M-A-H-O-R-A-G-A Daddy Raga.
Nawaraga.
Dat nilagay mo dyan peacocks eh. Para sa nostalgia. By the way guys, I am using 26.30. I still don't have the cushions.
Or the last option. This might be the worst, but let's try. Awesome.
Wait lang din. Go.
Ganda!
Guys, why do you feel like I'm doing a relapse?
Nah, I quit. Nah. I might
We're
be dreaming.
Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Bye.